Hi guys, a quick update on the NewGen 345S. I've taken this bike now for 1 week, riding in probably the worst weather the UK has to offer. It is autumn. It's been raining the whole week and it's been really like a swamp next to the canal. And I just want to quickly show you before I wash the bike how it looks like. I was very clean except for a few like specks of mud on my cycling trousers and stuff. But look how caked up this bike is. And this is now 4 days of riding, so I'm gonna have to wash this thing down properly. You can see. And yeah, I was very clean, so super happy with this. Seeing all the controllers and stuff here where the battery is, everything is nice and clean there. As you can see here. So all the electronics looks like it's dry and kept out of the weather. And yeah, the seat is also clean. And the rear light is also clean. And yeah, on the front as well, this whole front area is also clean. Handlebars is clean, and it was really swamp like. Luckily I've got the knobby tires and the mud guards. Okay guys, have a good time. Cheers.